what we got today. We got us a 200 amp disconnect. We're gonna keep the fuses in there, a little added smoke effect. And then we got two 100s just like it behind it. And we spray painted these lines over the front of it just so we know where the main guts are, where we can try and line up the bullets where we're not just shooting through sheet metal. And we're gonna see what happens with this. Ba-dum.
Damn!
We hit our guts. All right, we've hit there. Is that the same exact spot that we hit with the...
No.
What is this?
That's from that .6.
Did it really stop?
No.
We have a bunch of guns, but we've got all the way from the little baby 22 long rifle to this big behemoth of the 50 cal, 50 BMG. And we have the 338 Lapua. James is freshly Cerakoted midnight bronze. Let's see what we can do.
Got our Brown and Buckmark 22 long rifle, 40 grain full metal jacket. There we go.
Nice.
Let's go check it out.
So,
Did hit it. Not where I wanted to, but it didn't matter anyway because it didn't even go through the front cover. They just don't make them like they used to.
That is crazy. Just bounced right off.
Mm-hmm.
all right, we got the Canik 9mm. I think it's 115 grain full metal jacket. Let's go. We got an entry. Let's see what we got on the inside.
Looks like it hit right here. Yeah, it looked like we broke a little bit of that fiberglass insulator, but nothing really to talk about. Any dent on the back? Nope.
Not that I see.
Negative. On to the next one.
All right.
See if barrel length makes a difference. We got a 10-inch barrel here with a 6-inch Otter Creek's lithium 9 suppressor, 115 grain.
Nice shot.
Obviously have to recite my my red dot a little bit, but at least we hit. Oh, we went through the back, but that's quite the fairest test since I didn't hit any guts. And bounced off of, came out the back, bounced off of the second disconnect.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Stupid Siri.
Take two, fair competition. Didn't hit where I wanted to hit.
Perfect. Right on top.
All right, a little bit more fair in this predicament here. Can't really tell what's going on there. It looks like about the same amount of damage, just in a little bit different spot. We did hit some metal right there.
Yep. I'm assuming nothing to the back.
No dent. So, don't really know how much more heat the extra barrel length is contributing, but it did bend that metal. The pistol length, as I should say, I guess they're both pistol lengths, whatever. The shorter barrel didn't hit the metal, but I don't think, even if it didn't hit the metal, I still don't think it will went through all the way through.
No difference between handheld pistol and AR pistol.
We'll come back with a 40-inch barrel.
There we go.
Got the back-to-back World War champ. We have two kinds of ammos. What's the first kind?
The first kind is 130 grain self-defense plus Ps. It's a Barnes bullet. I don't know the velocity or anything coming out of it, but it's supposed to be bad.
And I don't know what I'm shooting. It just feels heavier, so.
Both hollow points.
Yeah, critical defense, hollow point. First one's gonna be going fast, second one's gonna be going slow, so let's just see what the difference is.
Perfect.
All right, so the first one that was going really fast was this bottom hole. The second one, the heavier bullet, is the top hole.
Look at that.
both sheet metal for sheet metal, so it's definitely fair.
Yeah.
Which one was that you picked up? That was lead? I don't know what that is. Oh, that's heavy. That's got to be a 45.
Yeah, those two are.
What? Oh, okay. That's both of the 45 rounds.
I'm guessing this is yours because yours, mine
Silver.
was, yeah. So, let's see the back. There we go.
Oh, we did go out.
We went out.
And then we must
Nothing.
have barely tapped the second disconnect. It bounced right back into the...
I'm guessing if we found these two in there, it just,
That's crazy.
Really
Perfect
didn't go
little
through.
hole punch.
yeah. Nice.
Wait, where's the hole? Stupid. Time to step it up the rifles. Normally we start with 223, but we got a new player on the field with the penetration test. We got the 300 blackout, 190 grain sub X Hornadies. Out of the suppressed 7-inch 300 blackout. See how it smell. I think I hit right there where the 9 was.
Yeah. Let's go check it out.
Obviously, I'm too good of a shot for my own good. And we hit, I don't even know which one was. It had to be this one right there below it. That's a little bit smaller than them two.
Yeah.
I would assume. Surprised it actually went through the front. Oh, wow. There we go. We got some bullet right there. Oh, it hit the metal. Dang, it hit that
yeah.
face like head on. That's like one of the thickest parts of the disconnect. It's still only aluminum, but still. Tore that bullet up. It like chopped it in half. Ow, a little warm.
Yeah, it's hot. There you go. Nice.
Man, blew the forks off.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we got some devastation. It blew the forks off.
Yeah.
The one that the 9mm just bent. It was like, yeah, time for you to come out. Horrible dentist. So we got two different kind of wolf ammos. One's the steel case, the cheap stuff. This is M193 Wolf Gold, I'm pretty sure. And that's the difference between them both. So we're just gonna see, same brand, same company, different types of ammo, to see if you could tell a difference in performance. First shot's gonna be M193, second one's gonna be the steel case. Take two. All right, let's go check it out. All right, so the top one was the M193. The bottom one was the steel case. Both wolf. They look pretty similar on the entrance. And did I miss it? No. At least not one. No, I think. I don't know. I know one of them hit it directly right there. Probably the top bullet. It looks like it lines up more. Let's see if the back made a difference. Yeah, let's see. Oh, we got one exit. The other one must have hit something solid. Yeah. Look, we got an entry right here. Oh, finally. Oh, look at how big that hole is coming from a little 223. That's when you can tell that round's slowing down. Yeah. All right, let's open this one up. Okay. And then looks like we just hit the insulation stuff and then smacked the back of the can. And it left, looks like it left a little dent, a little bulge. A little bulge. Get it in the sun. There you go. There we go. A little bulge. Well, at least we made it into the second disconnect finally. Yeah, we did. Ow! We got the AR-10 chambered in 308. Got 150 grain spire point. Gonna be launching down range. See how I feel. Oh yeah, that went through. Oopsies. Good shot. We hit right in the beef. All right, we did the fuse delete kit, or neutral delete kit. Let's see. And we went into the second one. Did another fuse delete. We went through the third. It looks like pieces may have went through it, not the whole. No, never mind. Okay. And then, we actually went into the third one.
Oh, nice.
And that's where things ended.
Yeah. That's the exit right there.
Let's see if the weapon hit. Any bulge? Nope, no bulge.
Wow.
Let's step it up.
Yep.
300 grain, hollow point bow tail, out to 338 Lapua Magnum. So, let's see what 5,000 pounds of muzzle energy does to this thing.
And we have to aim high. Oh yeah. Good shot.
Right on top of the 9mm hits.
There we go.
So we know we hit guts. We know we had guts. And good Lord, look at the bullet going sideways.
Jeez.
Yeah, you know. I don't know which one was second.
The one with only one hole was the third one.
What?
So flip it over.
No way.
Let me see. Let me get right here.
Wait a minute. Hang on. Is that where? No, that's the 308, isn't it?
Yeah.
What? Wait a minute. This thing got 2 holes in it. That was the 223.
Yeah.
What?
So it didn't go.
It must have hit right inside of this lug. Where did it go? What the hell? Oh, it hit inside of the lug. Look at the threads on it.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
And that's what stopped it. It blew through the back of here. You could see the size of the hole and dent that it was definitely being slowed down. It pushed that entire lug assembly right out. Look. It hit that. It's a solid hunk of steel. Hit it right there.
Wow.
Good
Still
God.
had
So it
enough
turned
force to push all of these back too.
It turned a 338 caliber bullet into a 70 caliber bullet and pushed it out the back of the can.
Jeez.
That couldn't have been a more perfect hit.
Good
I guess we
deal.
got to step it up.
Yep. By the way, this is where it hit. That little dent right there. After it got done hitting that. With enough force still, even though the bullet wasn't going through it, it knocked everything off.
This is pieces of. That's the 300 black. We can't find the bullet anywhere. But I wish I still had a lug assembly. Well, this is the lug assembly. It hit right inside of that Allen key slot, and pushed this through the back of that disconnect. That takes a lot of force to do that. I couldn't have hit that more perfect. 660 grain full metal jacket out of the Barrett M82.
Oh yeah.
So, we hit right here. And
Oh.
we blew the neutral portion completely apart. Blew clean through that. That's like 1/8 of an inch of solid steel for the disconnect mechanism. I think this was second. Yeah, I think. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it hit right where one of the guns hit. Deleted that portion. Out the back. Yep, out the back. And into our third one. Sideways, it looks like.
Yep.
Through the guts of the third one. However that happened. And for the moment of truth. Uh-oh, I broke that one. Out the back. And something right there. How did that happen? Did the bullet like continue to be in there and then like deviated?
It had to, because it came out.
It must have deviated into the ground right here. That
Yeah.
wasn't there.
No, that wasn't there.
Unless that was a part.
So the 50 pretty much went through all three.
So
Like
you need
not-
4 disconnects for self-defense.
Like nothing. It went through it like nothing.
Possibly 4.
There we go. I don't know if you're mad or happy.